In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your LinkedIn account in just about 5 minutes. Sometimes we all reach a point where we need to declutter our digital lives, and that might include saying goodbye to some social media accounts. Whether you're looking to take a break or just simplify things, I'm here to guide you through every step of closing your LinkedIn account smoothly and securely. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. You can either choose sign in with Google, if that's how you usually access your account, or continue by entering your LinkedIn account details. This step is pretty straightforward, but make sure you're logging into the account you intend to close, especially if you happen to manage more than one. After you've successfully logged in, take a moment to glance at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. This little image is your gateway to a lot of the customization and settings on LinkedIn. Go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for tweaking your LinkedIn experience. From the drop-down menu, you're looking to click on Settings and Privacy. This particular link will direct you to a page where LinkedIn allows you to adjust quite a bit about how your account works and how others see and interact with you. But our focus today is on something a little more permanent. After landing on the Settings and Privacy page, your next step is to click on Account Preferences. Think of this as the hub for all the major adjustments you can make to your account, including the action we're aiming for today. Once you're in the Account Preferences section, you'll need to do a bit of scrolling. Keep going until you see Close Account. It might feel a bit hidden among all the options to tweak and adjust your account, but it's there because closing your account is a significant step. Clicking on Close Account will bring you to a page that begins the process of permanently shutting down your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn might ask you for feedback or for the reason why you're choosing to close your account. This is standard for a lot of platforms as they're always looking to improve user experience based on feedback. Finally, you'll see a button marked Continue. Clicking this is the last step in the process. LinkedIn will likely provide a few warnings, ensuring you understand that this action deletes your profile, connections, and all the data associated with your account. They might offer you the option to instead take a break and temporarily deactivate, but if you're sure about your decision, proceed by confirming your choice. And that's it. Those are the steps to close your LinkedIn account. Remember, this action is permanent. If you think you might want to come back to LinkedIn in the future, you might consider temporarily deactivating your account instead. Closing your account doesn't have to be a daunting task, and I hope this guide has made the process a little clearer and more straightforward for you. Thank you for watching, and take care as you continue to manage your digital presence.